In a fast-moving global market, execution and innovation decide who moves ahead. Turning ideas into sellable products takes more than just capacity. It takes a partner you can rely on. Welcome to Euchio. We support OEM, ODM projects, linking design, supply chain, and quality control, so your team can move faster with less risk. At Euchio, we believe quality is the foundation of long-term business. With clear standards and disciplined processes, and experienced manufacturing coordination, we deliver consistent, dependable results, from components to complete machine assemblies. We manage details with practical, measurable control. We work with qualified suppliers and proven equipment to handle complex tube cutting and fabrication requirements. For tube cutting projects, we can support automated loading, precise cutting, and efficient unloading, and integrate them into a stable production flow, whether round, square, or irregular profiles. We aim for millimeter-level tolerances with stable repeatability. Every part is checked against your drawings and specs to protect your product performance and shorten lead time through better coordination. As your long-term OEM and ODM partner, we take time to understand your market and positioning. Whether you need production strictly to your drawings and specifications, so your branded products are made correctly and consistently, or you start with an idea and need a one-stop ODM solution. From design and verification to mass production, we tailor the plan to your cost, quality, and timeline goals, supporting you from concept to launch. With an experienced engineering team and a practical quality management system, we work to keep every batch consistent, and we protect your IP through clear controls and confidentiality, so you can expand your business with more confidence.